What's up, everybody? This is IR Vibes Info Entertainment Reviews. Lots of love to everybody. Thank you all for visiting, watching, and as well supporting IER Vibes YouTube channel, you guys. Info Entertainment Reviews here. It is March 21st, 2017, 9:39 p.m. Arizona time. Okay, you guys, don't forget to thumbs up if you like, share, subscribe, and tell everybody to come and visit. And also, go check out www.esearcher.com. Shout out to JTRC as well, Watchmen, Equinox, and don't forget Miss Mo Chat. Go check her channel out. And lots of love again, you guys. So let's continue on. Starting off with a 4.6 in Mexico. What's more to come? Everything is picking up day by day. Unbelievable. So 4.7 magnitude earthquake. Take a look within the Puerto Rico region area. 3.4, 3.2, and it looks like we got a 3.8 over there. Also almost a 4-pointer. Really close. Here we go. 5.0 magnitude earthquake right up in between Chile and Bolivia. And also the West Coast. Now it's funny. Right when I just got started into recording, you guys, the bell goes off and 2.5 magnitude earthquake hitting the West Coast right within there. This one is inland. Let me zoom in a little bit before we go further in. You can see Alaska there too. We will be moving up onto that shortly here in a second. Now 2.5 magnitude, 3.0 right within the same area. And then just now that 2.5 following by another 2.5 not far away at all. And you can see what I was talking about here now between Arizona and it looked like Nevada, kind of in between the areas there. Hit with a 2.9 magnitude. I'm going to look into that. 2.5 hitting Oklahoma. Guys, New Madrid's going to be waking up. Just look how these earthquakes are following the line there. And then, of course, the Far East. 4.6 magnitude earthquake you got out there in Mexico, and then Puerto Rico at a 3.4, 2.8, and 3.2, and it looks like another, what we got here, 3 magnitude, and trying to get those numbers real quick. So you can tell that looks like about a 3.3 or a 3.8 is showing. They've been getting so much earthquake activity, it's ridiculous. Let me zoom out here for a second, that way I smooth this out. That 5.0, you guys, definitely a shockwave for the whole tectonic plate system. Nothing in Hawaii has yet, but of course Hawaii is always shaking up, you guys, so all we can do is stay tuned in for that one. Another one again. Boy, see, did I not ever pick a better time than this right now? This is awesome. So 3.0, we were just talking about the West Coast. Again, that 2.5 just struck. You guys, I'm doing this live right now, recording for you guys. Take a look here. Bam! 3.0 magnitude just hit. What perfect timing is this? So, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. Exactly where that 2.5 magnitude struck at a depth of only 9 kilometers, which is highly shallow. Awesome, not to mention, before I forget, Oroville Dam, people got to keep a watch over the little storms that have been kind of peeking around within through. The dam is definitely, I gotta say, pushing her weight. I will be doing a second video later on. I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Bring it to you guys, excuse me. And upload that. I want to go ahead and get into that section. Update you guys with what is going on. Because with these earthquakes going on. And the Oroville Dam. That's certainly not a good mixture. So again, 3.0 magnitude earthquake just struck. Now let's go and continue on. 3.9 magnitude, Alaska's islands there. 2.5, a 2.8, 4.5 magnitude on the other end, which we'll go cruise on over. Let's go take a look here. 4.5 magnitude earthquake. Take a look. And then far here to the left, 4.6. It looks like a 4.3. Then we have a 4.6 again, 4.3, 4.3, a 5.5 magnitude, 5.3, another 4.3. Things are rocking, you guys. Unbelievable. I said it was going to get much more active. Things were going to be picking up. I mean, it just seems like this is the year for just very, very wild things that happen. Now, surprisingly, check this out. So you have right up in New Zealand with that 4.7, but bam, look how quiet it is. Eerily quiet, I have to say that. Because never has this place missed an earthquake. Very odd. You guys tell me what you think below in those comments, please. For a change, yes, it's great to not have earthquakes. Peacefulness, about time. But wow, no earthquakes. What a trip. Wouldn't you guys think so? I know I do. That is crazy. Now, continuing on. There's that 5.5 magnitude earthquake, following by that 4.3, and then also creeping down over here. Now, this area just seems to really have just had that moment of silence. And now you have this whole section here, bam, getting slammed with earthquake activity now, out of nowhere. 5.3, 5.5. You got the 4.3. Multiple 4.3s right there. You got that 4.6, and again another. Boy, I tell you guys what. I have to say, this is the first time where I'm recording, and then next, you know what? One after another after another. Now, that's amazing. Really cool. So, anyhow. That is the main earthquakes for 24 hours, just a hair under. Let's go ahead and do a full 7 days and take a peek what she's bringing. And bam, take a look at this. Do these numbers look like they are not racking up? Looks like Mother Earth just has a ton of little pin needles just placed. One after another. This is 7 days, you guys. 7 days. Never have I seen it like this much in 7 days? It is obvious something is coming sooner than many people think. We are on the freaking tipping of the bucket. This bucket is about to really make a big spill. Unbelievable, you guys, from New Zealand all the way PG, cutting all through, slammed Solomon, Papua New Guinea, Indonesia. I mean, you guys, this is the heaviest I have ever seen it since I've been doing earthquake forecasting. I'm not kidding. I'll go back a year and I'll go back the following year and compare. I'm gonna show the differences from then and to now, and it'll be 5 and 7 days worth, and just kind of we'll compare it to all of this. Insane. This really is. Everybody, ladies and gentlemen, my friends, you guys, let me know in those comments below. You know, answer back, and I always make sure I get back with you guys. If I don't get back to you right away, No more than 24 hours, you guys. I mean, cutting through Japan, you have Alaska. Wow. She's picking up. Now, before I do end this, so I could do more and do a couple uploads for you guys today, Hawaii. Hawaii has picked up, excuse me. They've picked up in the last 7 days. And to just look at North America. You know, near Australia, it's bad. But boy, oh boy, let me tell you guys what. She has racked up quite a bit. Some fours, tons of twos. I mean, in 7 days. Not even here in the United States have I ever seen the earthquake activity this bad. Yes, I know there's no sixes, nothing major, but I'm talking about in quantity. The amount of earthquakes that have hit in 7 days. I told you guys the East Coast was eventually going to get it. Guess what? The East Coast this year has been getting swarms of earthquakes. I've said this in 2014. I said this even in 2015, 2016. I'm always bringing this stuff up, and bam! It seems like that this is the year that things are just hitting. Just unbelievable. I worry about it all the time because mass devastation could even cause more beyond your imagination of possibilities what could happen on top of a huge mega quake disaster with others behind it. The pattern has been following exactly the same for the United States as I've even said back then, because one, Arizona has a massive fault line that's even about bigger than the San Andreas because it runs from up north, far north, coming all the way far down south, cut between through near Tucson, going towards through Texas, Oklahoma, and into the Madrid. That is just one fault line, and then you have the New Madrid fault line, then you have the San Andreas, then you have the Cascadia fault line, and look at the pattern. Just a straight beeline from the west coast going into the east coast. I bet nobody probably noticed that. It's almost like a big L shape. When you start from coming down towards Alaska, the west coast, and then bam, makes that sharp left going all the way towards the east coast. She is waking up, you guys. And then Puerto Rico area all the way to Mexico. I mean, it is getting very, very bad. Unbelievable. Now, I didn't think I was going to make anything go far this long, you guys. So thank you again for watching. I really hope you guys enjoy so much. And again, stay tuned in for later on because I got another upload coming up. And we're going to get into a little bit of news. Something a little bit different, you guys. I'm going to bring up some pretty interesting topics. So stay tuned in. This is your IER Vibes Info Entertainment Reviews. And as always, heads up high, peak grounded. Love, live, smile.